my god, still issues. This is annoying. So basically
T64, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 950 Meter.
yeah.
T80, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 1600 Meter. T64, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 850 Meter. T80, 10 Uhr, Entfernung 1400 Meter.
Yes, we are back online here. I'm sorry for that. I crashed if you're on this stream.
Entfernung 650 Meter.
We are with that.
1 Uhr, Entfernung 850 Meter. 1 Uhr, Entfernung 600 Meter. Attack daily point.
Ziel getroffen! Wir wurden getroffen!
We need to bugger out of here. Oh my god.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
And they did manage very well without me, I can see, of course, because as everybody knows, I suck at this game. I hear, you know, the eggplants are going to rule the world. So does Courage say. Oh my god. I didn't know that. This is oh, the fun I can have with this. This is excellent. I thought I was playing with a stupid tank here, but apparently not. Oh my god, this has become my favorite tank now. Huh? That's why I had like 72. I couldn't understand why I had so many pieces of ammo. Number 16. But that's as well. I crashed in the middle of it. So let's see here. I don't even if my mouth is synced and stuff like that. Probably not. I think this little moped is too small for having a CAD program and this. I can hear baby girl. Yeah. So we need to do it like that. 75, something like this, and a lot of those.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute! Feindverteilen!
Rechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Finally, this not finally. This map has so battle about Battle of the Sexes at the Bia. Yeah.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 950 Meter.
Oh my god.
Entfernung, 900
That bastard. Well, we have no opportunity else but to
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1300 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1000
he absolutely murdered me. We're going to my body.
1100 Meter.
Oh, now I remember where I am. Yes, of course.
P72, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 900 Meter.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Getroffen! Mann! Tiefe Anrichten!
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Beschuss links! Weiter rechts!
Soka, T72,
And you will see
Entfernung, 800 Meter.
we
T64,
are.
1 Uhr.
Where's my body?
1100 Meter. T72, 1 Uhr. Entfernung, 1200 Meter. T72, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 700 Meter. T64,
Oh my god, huh?
Entfernung, 800 Meter. T72, 1 Uhr. Entfernung, 550 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt! Panzer! Beschuss kreuz!
T72, 1 Uhr. Panzer, 1 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Ziel getroffen! Ziel abgeschaltet!
Panzer, 2 Uhr. Entfernung, 600 Meter. T72,
Ah!
Air 170, height 1,000 meters.
Here.
Fliegeralarm!
Air 210, height 300 meters.
T72, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 1200 Meter.
Another zone captured can be managed.
Beschuss kreuz!
Bastard. You got it in for me, huh?
Moving!
Air 200, height 500 meters.
Enemy forces have captured a
Tell you, these guys, they don't like me. I don't know just if it's because I really am bad or not. Yeah. So I think are we gonna take another angle? Was this a 3D? Something like this. I don't know. This. So I think I'm gonna place the avatar somewhere else. Ah, don't worry, I will change it maybe to my own face, where I actually have. Oh my god! Again. Well, this is my thing today. This is just a test, so I will see you tomorrow.